Hello. Hello everyone. Belated happy Mother's Day to each and every moms out there. And I just thought of sharing what I received for Mother's Day. This is from my daughter. Let us unbox my daughter's gift for me for this Mother's Day. But before further ado, please don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and comment down below because it really supports my channel. And let's get this unboxing going. Good morning, everyone! Yes! Happy New Year! Today, I decided to take a video of this particular bag of goodies from my daughter. So, let's start. Ikutin mo siyang ganyan. My daughter is not here right now. She's outside, per usual. She's always with her friends. Oh, no! So, first gift is from Healthy Options. My daughter knows very well that I always buy my goodies or my food or my skincare brands at Healthy Options. That's why she thought of buying me some gifts there. So, first one is coconut flavored sparkling water. Ayan. For those who love cola, try sparkling water, flavored sparkling water, and just add frozen berries on it. Ayan, kasi ang cola is filled with sugar, so it really gives a negative impact to the health. Kaya it's better to drink sparkling water instead of cola. She gave me 2. Coconut pa rin. Alam niyo, favorite flavor ko yan noon. Sipon ako. Next one is chocolate bar. Costco. Ayan. This is a local brand. This is, I think, from Davao. No, manufactured in QC. But this one's a local brand. Support local. Chocolate bar. Protein cookies. Almond chocolate chip. O, diba? Alam na alam niyang gusto ko ng protein cookies. Kind bar. Chocolate cherry cashew. Ayan. Thanks, Nok! Ayan. That's gift number 1. And then number 2 is this. Let's open it together. Ano kaya? Sinilip ko lang yung paper bag. That's why I found out that it's Healthy Options. This one. Oh, wow. I think she knows I need a bowl for my salad. Para sa pagbablog ko ng mga food that I prep. Ayan, ang laki niya. Actually, guys, if you're paying attention with your weight, it's better to eat volume foods such as salads, yung maramihan, foods that will fill you but not make you fat. You know what I mean? Kasi, just like me, I have a big appetite. That's why I need to eat in volume, huge volume. So, I prefer salads instead of a bowl filled with carbs and fat. Ayan, this one, salad bowl. Better for you guys. Salad bowl, poke bowl. I think I will be making a vlog about that in the future. So that is it, you guys. My unboxing is done. Ito lang yun. May chopstick. Ayan, alam nyo. Favorite color ko rin to, but not politically. We will not talk politics on this channel. By the time this video goes out, I think the winners for the elections are already announced. Let's take a thumbnail. Yan, thumbnail ko yan. My 18-year-old daughter got her first income from her part-time job, and all of these things she bought for me, I appreciate a lot. Thank you so much, anak. I love you so much. I also got flowers from my hubby.
Wow.
Medyo lanta na kasi kahapon pa to. And let's go outside. Kasi today we will actually vote as well together with the entire family. So I will drive to my brother and then to my mom and my sister. I will fetch them at home and go straight to the polling precinct and exercise our right to vote. And I hope that every Filipino who's eligible to vote have already casted their votes for 2022 national elections. So may the best leaders win, and whoever wins, please just let us all respect and accept it because it is in the Bible. Romans chapter 13 verse 1, let every soul be subject to the authorities because the only authority is God. And the authorities that exist are appointed by God. So let us all unite and let us just support the winning candidates, and may we all win. Each and every Filipino win in these elections because the future of our children are at stake here. So let us just pray for the future and support the winning candidates because they are appointed by God. There is no other authority but God. Praise the Lord, and I will see you in a while.
20 minutes later.
Hello! We're at the car wash. Lagi na lang. Lagi ka lang binablog yung car wash. Meron akong nabili. Ang ganda niya. Masabit lang siya dito. Tapos dito. Meron akong lagayan ng tissue and tumbler.
Wow!
From Shopee! Happy Mother's Day! Where is it?
2 hours later.
We're here na at the polling precinct. Yan yung mami ko. Sana yung karapat-dapat talaga yung manalo. God bless the Philippines. Hello everyone, I'm with my sister. We've already casted our votes. Tara! Wow! The new voters!
Wow!
Bruh.
Nakaboto na kami! Woohoo!
Money tayo, money!
Later.
It's dinner time, and this time I will be doing a little review about Romeo's Spice and Steaks, Robinson's Place Antipolo. So we are now here at Romeo's restaurant in Robinson's Place Antipolo, and nakalimutan ko yung mga flowers nila, mami. Just like what I did with the coffee rush, we will rate 1 star to 5 star. 1 star is poor, and 5 star is excellent. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Sigit pa natin.
Let's vote in!
Okay, okay. Kami na kami ganito.
I love that Romeo Steaks and Spice have a wide range of menu, and the waitress is accommodating, so I'm giving it a 4 star, food choices and ease of ordering. Next up is the ambiance. The place is cozy, so I'm giving it a 4 star. Cleanliness is same thing, 4 star for Romeo's. Quality of food, I'm also giving it a 4 star. Service, another 4 star. And value for money is 3 star.
Okay ba? Masarap? Masarap pala. Dami namin order.
Wow!
Mami, happy Mother's Day! Our new voter. Ay, nung naririnig. Ay, niya magpakita.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Like, share, and subscribe. sa Robinson's Place. Happy Mother's Day! Video yan eh. Picture pa?
Edit ng video sa edit.
Ilang minutes daw yan? Hindi ko sure eh. Isang ganun lang ata. Punuan pa daw po. Ako punuin pa lang? Paano yan pag hinapon? Hawakan niyo yung ticket niya. Nag-enjoy ba kayo, no?
Oo.
Thank you, Marlon.
Sobrang busog pa.
Bye-bye.
Meron pa sa bahay mamaya. Nasa likod sila, oh. Nasa likod sila ng pick-up. Ayan sila pa.
Sobrang busog pa.
Busog.
1 hour later.
Me?
Mami, happy
What a
Mother's
beautiful-
Day! Yung pala ko na beautiful.
What a beautiful flowers.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Dahil mataas ang sugar nyo, kaya wala po tong sugar.
Wow.
Happy Mother's Day, Mami! Thank you! Sinong lamang?
BBM, 12,065,000.
Yes!
Followed by Lenny,
Paano na naman yun?
5 million. Kalahati na mami.
Ayan, day 1 of voting.
Voting,
National elections, day 1.
BBM.
BBM yung lamang.
Gawin
Video
niyo,
to
mami.
eh. Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day to your mommy too, sis. Ikaw din, magiging mommy ka na soon. Ayan.
Wednesday.
So that is it for my Mother's Day vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And again, happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. We are all heroes, and let's all be thankful that we have kids who give joy to our home, sweet home. And by the way, guys, I also have a house hunting vlog which is already live on my channel. I might link it down below as well for you to check it out and help us choose our next home. And I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to click the like, share, subscribe, and comment. God bless you. Stay safe.